You are standing in your living room, looking at a pile of cables, wondering if you really need to spend $1,000 just to make your karaoke night sound professional. Most people go for the big names. They save up for months. But then you see this sleek digital processor online that promises the world for a fraction of the cost. It claims to be a total audio solution. It acts as a mixer, a voice processor, and a feedback killer, all in one. On paper, it looks like a dream for anyone running a small home bar or a backyard party. You see these 15-band equalizers for the microphones. You see dedicated music controls. It even has built-in compression and reverb. For a casual user, that sounds like a massive upgrade over a basic analog setup. The front panel is pretty straightforward with standard microphone jacks. The back handles the outputs and a connection for your computer. That computer interface is actually where the real power hides. It lets you dive deeper into the settings than most cheap gear ever would. When you actually get it running, the sound is surprisingly decent. Your voice feels thicker. The reverb adds that polished studio shimmer that makes everyone sound a little bit more like a rock star. The anti-feedback tool is a lifesaver in small rooms. It stops those piercing ear-splitting squeals before they ruin the vibe. But here's where things get tricky. The internet is divided right down the middle on this one. One person says it is the best value they ever found. The next person says their unit started making weird buzzing noises after a week. Some people even report the device just refusing to turn on. That is the gamble you take with these budget-focused brands. Reliability is the big question mark hanging over the whole experience. The instructions can be a nightmare too. Some versions come with documentation that feels like it was translated poorly or aimed at a completely different market. If you are new to audio gear, you might find yourself staring at the screen in total confusion. It is definitely not a plug-and-play experience for a beginner. This is why I think you have to be honest about what you need. If this is for a family singing session or a small hobby setup, the risk might be worth the reward. It offers features you just cannot find at this price point elsewhere. However, if you're getting paid to run sound at a wedding or a corporate event, you might want to look elsewhere. A failure in the middle of a professional gig is a disaster. In those cases, sticking with the established industry giants is always the safer bet. They have the quality control that these budget units sometimes lack. It is a fascinating piece of tech for the right person. You just have to know exactly what you are signing up for before you hit that buy button. It is all about balancing that desire for high-end features with the reality of a budget build. If you can handle a little technical frustration, it might just be the bargain of the year for your home setup. It brings a lot of digital power to a tiny price tag, which is always tempting. Just keep your expectations grounded. For a fun night of singing with friends, it delivers plenty of punch. For anything where your reputation is on the line, maybe keep saving your pennies for a more reliable heavy hitter. It really comes down to how much you value peace of mind versus saving a few $100 on your initial gear purchase. Some people love the hustle of making cheap gear work. Others just want to plug in and know everything will stay on until the last song ends. Whichever camp you fall into, this little silver processor definitely gives you something to think about.